Hello everyone. I'm going to go over the TECKWAVE app connectivity steps in case you have any problem connecting to the app, connecting the robot with the app. First of all, this instruction is specifically for the robots that came with TECKWAVE app. If your robot came with a VBAC app, please refer to the instruction for VBAC app. The robots that came with the VBAC app cannot use TECKWAVE app because of the change in the hardware, the Wi-Fi module. So first, obviously, you need to install the app using the QR code or downloading it from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can just search for TECKWAVE and you will find the app. So first step will be to sign up for a TECKWAVE account. Click on sign up, choose your country and put your email address there. Click on the get verification code, and once you receive the code by email, you input it here. The app will ask you to set a password. You set your password and that's it, you're in. I'm also going to show you the steps to log in once you have an account with TECKWAVE. You choose the same country you picked when you signed up. It's very important that you choose the same country, otherwise you cannot log in. And you put your email and password that you created when you signed up, and click on login. Also make sure that your home Wi-Fi router is set at 2.4 gigahertz because all robots work with 2.4 gigahertz network, as the 5 gigahertz network is not stable enough for the robot to move around the house and stay connected. Also allow the app to connect to the devices on your local network and the Bluetooth. Once it's done, you can click on add device or the plus sign on the right corner and choose the exact model of robot that you have to set it up. Normally the app picks up the name of the network, otherwise you can enter both the name of the network and the password, and note that both are case sensitive. The next step is to put the robot in the connectivity mode. You press and hold. In some models with one press and hold the light blinks slowly, which means the robot has gone in connectivity mode. In some models, you need to press a second time. The first time the light blinks fast, and the second time when it blinks slowly, it means it has gone to the connectivity mode. Once you confirm it on the app, you go to the next page and click on Go to Connect, which takes you to your Wi-Fi setting. And there you choose Smart Life Network. After this network is selected, you go back to the app and the app automatically starts searching for the robot. That's it. The robot is found and registered on TECKWAVE Cloud and ready to be used.